Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen and just taking a few deep breaths in and out. Just taking a moment to really arrive in the body. Just breathing in any way that would feel great for you. Just breathing normally, or you can do the belly breath, which is when you breathe in, the belly expands. When you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. This helps create relaxation and presence. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, then let it out with a big sigh. Just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it right into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Really taking your time. Moving mindfully. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height, then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. Starting out onto the path. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, circle the arms all the way in front as if you're hugging a big tree, rounding out the arms. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and in the mind. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising back up. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down by the sides. Step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up. And then the arms can float up and over just as much as you can comfortably. And then stepping down, other side, the crane, just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like. Touching down as needed. Then the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down. Now this time you can lift your leg up right away if you like. And you can even hold it up as the arms go up and down. Breathing in, breathing out. And then this time the arms can float up and over. Stepping down, other side, the crane. Do one more round. And you can lift up right away, or you can keep the foot down. Like you're riding a wave, riding the breath. And the arms can float up, and then stepping down. And then reverse direction with the arms circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then the top hand goes behind the back, just for now. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. And then circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. One more time. This time we'll catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon. So the bottom hand comes up overhead to block out the sun, the other hand pushes through. And then circle it around again, reversing direction, catch the moon, and spin the moon and push through. The fair lady works at shuttles. Breathing. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Top hand goes behind the back. And then step out to the corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. And then circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand comes all the way up, the other hand comes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time we'll catch the moon and then spin the moon. Bottom hand comes up to block out the sun, the other hand pushes through. And then circle it around again. Fair lady works at shuttles, spin the moon, and push through. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time. Fair lady works at shuttles. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, with the arms down low, drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the toes right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the toes. This time, tap the toes, the opposite hand dips down into the sea, hinging from the hips, keeping your spine long, coming back up. Other side, tap the toes, opposite hand, the needle at the sea bottom. And you don't have to go very low, keeping the spine nice and long, hinging from the hips. One more time, the needle at the sea bottom. And then step back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out, really letting go as we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Rising up, softening down. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again, wave hands like clouds, softening the shoulders, the neck, the face, and the eyes, using only what you need. We'll drift across one more time. Then this time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up and then floats across the horizon, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out. And you can keep going just like that, or this time you can step in as the hand comes up and then step out as it floats across. One more time, single whip. Then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Take your time, stepping in, drifting across, letting go. Breathing. This time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, floats across, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. And then this time, if you like, you can step the foot in as the hand comes up and then step out as it floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Take your time stepping in, drifting across. Nice and soft. This time step in as you make a hook, step out for single whip. And then circle it around once more. And then from here, reverse direction, the back foot turns out, the front hand comes up and over, pushes down, points down to the foot, and then back up. Circle it around again. The snake creeps through the grass, and you can come right down the center too as an option, or for some more challenge, you can shift over more to one side. Coming back up. And then this time the hook floats up. It scoops down and spirals out to the side. Other hand floats up and down and out to the side. The dancing dragon. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then this hand floats down, drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time, stepping in, drifting across, letting go. Letting go of any tension. And then this time you can step in as you make a hook, step out for single whip. And circle it around once more. And then reverse direction, the back foot turns out, front hand comes up and over, pushes down, points down to the foot, and then back up. Circle it around again. Once again, you can come right down the center, or for more challenge, coming more to one side, the snake creeps through the grass. And then from here, the hook floats up. It scoops down and spirals out to the side. Other side, dancing dragon. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then the back hand drifts over. Wave hands like clouds, taking your time, stepping in, drifting across. Breathing. We'll drift across a few more times like a moving meditation. So we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. Breathing, just feeling the sensations. One more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both hands float down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist, and then switching sides. Leaning over to the side going up, and you can gently turn if you like as well. The tiger hugs its head. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Other side. Touching down or lifting up, just meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. Beautiful. Arms reach up, scoop down, circle all the way around and hug the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart and the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And then stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Everyday Flow. In every moment, peace is here, a heart of love, releasing fear. Practicing every day, we walk the path and find our way. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.